guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and we are outside of Walgreens ready to do our Walgreens haul for this week. So we're gonna do 2 transactions. We're also going to be using the spend 20, get 10 times everyday points that's located in the Walgreens ad. So when we go inside, I'm gonna pick up one of the ads because you do have to have them scan that coupon. That way you guys can get that perk. It's just like another digital booster for you guys. So we are gonna be incorporating that in our second transaction. The first transaction, we're gonna try to stack up on register rewards so we can use those to pay down the out-of-pocket cost for the second transaction so we can pay as little as possible out of pocket. So there's also going to be a beauty event this week at Walgreens. Starts on February 7th and goes through the 9th. So when I go inside, I'm gonna try to get a hold of that flyer for you guys, bring you guys any updates or tips and tricks. I will also post a beauty scenario for what I plan on doing for that. I will be posting that haul on February 7th. That way you guys have the rest of the time the beauty event is going on to put together an amazing deal for yourselves. So if you guys have not followed me on Facebook or Instagram, the links are below. Make sure you guys follow me there. And if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's go inside and take advantage of all these deals.
Okay, so this is going to be our first transaction. We are going to do the buy 2 get a $7 register reward on Revlon or Almay lip cosmetics. So what I went ahead and did is picked up 2 of these. They're matte. They are the Revlon Lustrous lip products. Now it's important that you pick up the Lustrous lip products. See how it says super lustrous lip? Because there is this separate deal going on. It is a monthly deal. When you buy 2, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. So I have been told that they are coming together. So by buying 2 of these, they are $6.99 each. That is going to be $13.98. If you got that $5 Catalina to print from last week when you were doing the Revlon deals, make sure you guys add that to your transaction. That would make this a $3.02 moneymaker. I used mine last week, so I don't have that, but I'm gonna use points to pay this down. I'm gonna use 10,000 points, pay $3.98 out of pocket plus taxes, hopefully get back a $7 register reward and a $5 register reward. So that's what we are going to use for our second transaction. Okay, so this is gonna be in our second transaction. The first deal we're gonna pick up is this L'Oreal product here. It is on L'Oreal Lip Cosmetics. These are $7.49. It says less a $2 coupon. That is in the IVC booklet. So for this month, this is what the IVC booklet looks like. You can pick it up for free at the front of the store. Same place you pick up the ads. So on page 23, you see $2 off on L'Oreal Lip Cosmetics. So make sure you show this to the cashier so they can scan it, and then $2 off is going to come off. So we would pay $5.49, but last week I got this Catalina that printed. $4 off any one L'Oreal Paris makeup product. I was gonna save it for the beauty event, but it expires on the 6th, so it wouldn't work for the beauty event. So this will take off another $4. So final cost is gonna be just $1.49. This does count towards beauty as well. So let's go pick up our next item. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna pick up is some paper products. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off. It's on the paper towels and the toilet paper. This is going to be used in the spend 20, get 10 times everyday points transaction, which will be the second transaction. So I'm gonna pick up one of these here. I'm just gonna get 1 of each. You can get 2 paper towels, or if you wanna do 2 toilet papers instead, you can. So I'm gonna pick up this one as well. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off, and they're always $5. So that'll be $7.50. We're gonna use this $2 digital coupon, $2 off of 2. So we're gonna pay $5.50 for both of these, or just $2.75 each, which is awesome. But of course, we're adding this to our transaction for the 10 times everyday points. So stay tuned and I will go over the final breakdown for you guys and final out-of-pocket cost. Okay, the last deal we're going to take advantage of for that 10 times everyday point spend booster is going to be the Tresemme. So they're on sale 2 for $10. There is a $4 digital coupon. So again, anyone can do this deal. Final cost is going to be $6. Then we're gonna get back 2,000 points. Also, when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, this is a bonus item. You will get 1,000 points back. Some Fetch Rewards accounts vary, but most of them should have this 1,000 point bonus. Now, also, if you're not signed up with Fetch, if you use this reward code here, this referral code J24VT, you guys will get an additional 2,750 points. So right there, it'll put you over 3,000 points with doing this deal, and you can cash out for a $3 gift card. Tons of different places available. CVS, they have Amazon, Walmart, you name it. So definitely a hot deal. I'm gonna pick up these because this is their new brand. I haven't tried it yet. Their stylers work for it as well. Same deal, and they're tagged. Or you could get these as well. They are hairsprays. So whatever version works best for you guys, make sure you pick them up and take advantage of this deal. Okay, so let's review the transactions we're gonna be doing. First transaction is just gonna be these two little guys here, the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick. Again, it has to be the Super Lustrous to get that additional $5 register reward back. So they are $6.99. When you buy two, focus on them, there we go. When you buy two, you're gonna get a $7 register reward. When you buy two Super Lustrous products, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. So total is $13.98. I don't have any coupons or anything to use. I'm gonna roll 10,000 points for this deal. These are the two cute little colors I got. And they're matte, I totally love matte, so I thought that would be cute. And this one matches my nail polish. So I'm gonna pay $3.98 out of pocket after those 10,000 points. And I'm gonna hopefully get back the $7 register reward and the $5 register reward. So I'll let you guys know for that. Second transaction, we are gonna have them scan this coupon right here that is in the ad for this week. So it's 10 times everyday points when you spend $20 or more in store or online. So you wanna make sure that they scan this card. Then we are going to be doing the Scott paper towel and toilet paper deal. Remember, these are buy one, get one half off. So these will be $7.50. We are gonna use the $2 off 2 digital coupon, making those just $5.50 for both of these products. The next items we're gonna get are these Tresemme. These two Tresemme are the ones that I chose. They are on sale 2 for $10. There is a $4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you guys clip that and send it to your card. Then you'll pay $6, get back 2,000 points and 1,000 points from Fetch Rewards. So make sure you guys scan your receipt right when you guys finish checking out so you don't forget. The item we're gonna do in this transaction is this L'Oreal lip product. It is $7.49. We are going to use this $2 IVC coupon from the Walgreens Book of Savings. Again, you can get that at the front of the store and it's absolutely free. I'm also going to be using this $4 off Catalina that printed last week for me as well with this transaction. So total products is going to be $25.99. Then you have to subtract the $2 IVC from this. So total is going to be $23.99. Remember, your total has to be more than $20 after IVC coupons. And this is the only IVC coupon that we're using. The total for the other coupons is going to be $10. We had a $4 digital for this, $2 digital for these, and the $4 Catalina for the lip product. So we're going to pay $13.99 out of pocket. Now, we're going to use the $7 register reward that we're getting back from the first deal that we're doing, the first transaction, and the $5 register reward from the Revlon deal. That'll take off $12. Now, we don't need any filler items because these two only have one coupon to attach, and these two only have one coupon to attach. So we have 2 items left with no coupon attaching. So that'll take off $12. We'll be left to pay $1.99 out of pocket plus taxes. So let's go check out and see how it goes. Okay, so I want to go over a few additional deals. I forgot to post my 5 must-do deals this week. I don't know what I was thinking. So I want to go over a couple other deals that I would have put in that video. So the all liquid, or you can get the all pods. They are $2.99. We have this dollar digital coupon, so anyone can do this deal. Final cost is just $1.99, so not a bad deal. You can get the free and clear, or you can get the all stain lifters with Oxy. Another great deal that you guys could take advantage of would be these Airwick essential oils, the dual pack of the oil refills. So they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. So one would be $6.99 and one would be $3.99. So on coupons.com, look at this coupon, $5.50 when you buy two. So that would take off $5.50. You would pay $4.98 out of pocket. Final cost would be only $2.49 each, which I do not think is a bad deal. So make sure you guys go to coupons.com so you can print out these coupons. There's also these over here. So these are the refills that would go in this Airwick mister here. They're $6.99 as well. Buy one, get one half off. And on coupons.com, we have these $2 off one coupons. So if you print two of these, you would pay $6.98 out of pocket. Final cost for both would be $3.49 each. So still not a bad deal if you guys need to stock up on any of these mist refills. Another great deal you guys could take advantage of to help stock up on these register rewards would be on this Colgate toothbrushes, toothpaste, or mouthwash. So it's for like the essentials, the sensitive, the enamel health is included as well. They are all $4.99. When you buy two, you're gonna get a $6 register reward. Now, in the 2 inserts, we got dollar off coupons. There's also a digital dollar off coupon. So if you get one from the inserts and one of the digitals, that'll take off $2. You'll pay $7.98 out of pocket, but you're gonna get back the $6 register reward. So final cost is just 99 cents each, which is amazing because these regular price are $5.79. You would get them for just 99 cents. You can also use this $6 register reward to roll into any of your spend booster deals to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. Now, they also have another one going on for the Colgate Total and the Optic Whites. They are $3.99. Buy two, get a 4,000 points back. So you would do the same thing, use one of the dollar off digital coupons, one from the 2 inserts. You would pay $5.98, get back 4,000 points. So final cost is 99 cents each. So not a bad deal. We usually do get free toothpaste, especially this version. I would say this is the better deal because these are the more expensive ones and we don't really get that many deals on these. Also, you're getting that high value register reward. So I would say that is the better deal for this week. Another great deal that is going on this week is on Mitchum Deodorant. It is on sale for $2.99. Use the dollar off digital coupon, makes it just $1.99, which is awesome. Now on Ibotta, I had a 25-cent any men's deodorant rebate. So I already used it in my CVS haul, but if you didn't and you still have that one on your account, you guys can submit for 25 cents back. Final cost would be $1.75. And this is a deal anyone can do because we're using a digital coupon.
Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens, couple hiccups. The $5 register reward for the 2 Lustrous Revlon lipsticks did not print. I did have a $3 register reward from last week that I used to help keep my out-of-pocket as low as possible. So I'll show you guys my receipt. The only other coupon that did not come off was the 2 off of 2 Scott toilet paper or paper towel product coupon. Okay, so I just got off the phone with customer service. They gave me back the 2,000 points for the paper products. They said that the reason why the register reward did not print for the $5 for the Revlon is because I used the 10,000 points to pay down the out-of-pocket. So technically my spend was only $3.98. So when you're doing that deal, you would have to pay the $13.98 plus tax cash out of pocket if you want to get back the $7 register reward and the $5 register reward, which to me isn't worth it because you're spending $14 out of pocket to get back $12 in spend power with the register rewards, the 5 and the 7. So just a heads up for you guys. That way you guys don't make the same mistake, just in case you guys want to use that. Okay, so I would recommend doing the Revlon deal like I did, using the 10,000 points, getting back the $7 register reward, then using any additional register rewards that you may have from last week. So I had a $3 register reward from a deal I did last week. That took off an additional $10. So you're left to pay $3.99 plus taxes out of pocket for the entire deal. So here is my first transaction. Didn't use any coupons or anything, just the Revlon. The 2 Revlon items here, used 10,000 points, paid $3.98 plus taxes. Oh, it's gonna do that again. $3.98 plus taxes out of pocket, and got back the $7 register reward, but not the $5 register. If you guys want to keep your out-of-pocket as low as possible, I would recommend also doing the Colgate deal, the enamel health one, to get the $6 register reward. Here is the second receipt. I got the 2 Scott paper towel products, the Tresemme, 2 of those. I got the L'Oreal. This is the $2 IBC coupon, the $4 Catalina for the L'Oreal, $4 Tresemme digital did come off, and these were the 2 register rewards that I used. Total was $4.99 plus tax, paid that out of pocket in cash. Then it says bonus points, I got back $39.80, so $3.98, almost 4,000 points back, which is also not correct because I should have gotten back at least 2,000 points for the spend deal and 2,000 points for the Tresemme deal. So I'm gonna call customer service and see what I can find out for you guys. Another update, the Tresemme did not get verified on the fetch, so I did have to submit that, but I got another 575 points back for the Scott paper products. So that is another bonus item for you guys. So if you do pick those up, make sure you scan it to fetch rewards so you guys can get back an additional 500 points. I think it was like 573 or something. You guys see it here as well. So final out of pocket and everything was about $10 today, something like that. We got back 2,000 points for the everyday spend deal, 2,000 points for the Tresemme. Then I got back $1.50 on fetch rewards as well. So not a bad deal for all the different items that we got today. There is the beauty event going on. The beauty consultant wasn't there today, unfortunately, so I could not get a hold of that flyer yet. I'll try again later on this week and post a photo of it on the community tab, as well as any updates that I can find for you guys. So if you haven't seen my CVS haul, make sure you guys check that out. It is posted here. That was amazing. I only spent 71 cents out of pocket because I was using fetch rewards, getting my digital gift cards, and using that to pay out my out-of-pocket costs. So definitely love fetch rewards, highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.